Lava Namaskar Namaste for Shadow Shade Lava Namaskar đến đây rồi đó vì đó English ka cho me Cambodia ka yo me not then so he will translate for me. I like to just speak in English and a bit of Cambodian. So we will have 3 languages today, no? Cambodian, Burmese, and English. ជាបឋមខ្ញុំកណាសូមនមស្ការចំពោះគុណនៃបរតនត្រ័យដោយសេចក្តីគោរពជ្រះថ្លាសូមនមស្ការចំពោះជាដអន្តរជាតិជាព្រះគ្រូចារិកានៃវត្តទីនេះហើយក៏ជាសាស្ត្រាចារ្យនៅពុទ្ធិកនៅពុទ្ធិកសាកលវិទ្យាល័យណាពុទ្ធសាសនទូតថេរវាទអន្តរជាតិសហភាពមីយ៉ាន់ម៉ាជាសាកលវិទ្យាល័យដែលខ្ញុំកណាមកផ្លោះគង់សិក្សាកាលពីឆ្នាំ2007ថ្ងៃនេះឱកាសល្អដោយមានការឧបត្ថម្ភធំពីពុទ្ធិកសមាគមព្រះសង្ឃខ្មែរសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកដែលមានព្រះមហាសង្ឃាធិបតីព្រះអធិមនីមន្សាងយានសារោជាព្រះប្រធានមុនលើដោយព្រះសង្ឃនិងពុទ្ធបរិស័ទនៅសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកហើយនិងពុទ្ធបរិស័ទនៅកម្ពុជាយើងក៏ដូចជាក្រុមការងារធម្មការទាំងមូលបានចូលរួមក្នុងនាមជាតំណាងទាំងព្រះសង្ឃខ្មែរនៅសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកទាំងសង្ឃខ្មែរនៅប្រទេសកម្ពុជា I'm very honored to be here. I'd like just to take a short introduction of why we are here and conduct a small charity event today with the help of our shadow Indijara, who was my classmate. So the main sponsor behind this is the Cambodian Buddhist Monk Society in USA, and we have our chief monk as the president, Mahasankhathipati Thimani Mangsang. He's the president of Cambodian Monk Society CBMS in USA, and I myself is a member and also in charge of the international relations. So while having mission to Sri Lanka last week, I made a short trip to be in Myanmar because we still receive some donation from our lay devotees in the United States, and we want to do it. This is the second time for us. The first time we sent some amount of budget with the ITBMU shadow rector and Vince, who visited Cambodia 4 or 5 months ago. So we sent the first donation with them, and this is the second time that I have a chance to come with our lay devotee here from Hawaii, USA, and from Cambodia. So both of the institutions, the Cambodian Buddhist Monk Society in USA and my own academy, known as the Dhammika Academy International. So we have come together and arrange this small charity event today. We would like to have more, but this is things that we have right now. And for me, as I have been here before, I studied here, I got a lot of knowledge, especially in the teachings of the Buddha, meditation, a lot of inspiration, the practice, the courage, and the knowledge of Buddhism that I gained from studying here. So it really, touched my heart when I see how. So it was very sad for me and all my team. And then we start to do the fundraising. As soon as we saw the incident, we start to do the fundraising through Facebook, through online and broadcasting. Then we collect some amount of the US dollar sent to Myanmar. Not only my team, but I think many Cambodian institutions throughout the world, they did the fundraising, and as well as some other foreign monks as well, not only Cambodian. So, but I know a lot about the Cambodian community. They also did the fundraising to have in different places, the whole country. So I'd like to have more, but this is something that we have right now. As a Buddhist, no matter where we live in the world, no matter if we have different culture, language, nationality, but we share the same common purpose in life, that is to be happy, right? To be happy, to be free from danger. And we, on behalf of the Cambodian Buddhist Monk Society in USA, and the Cambodian people in Cambodia, Dhamika Academy, we would like to wish all of you the best of luck and would like to share our merit we have done so far. May you all rejoice in our merit. May you all be free from physical and mental suffering. May you all be safe, be well, and happy. Anumodana. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.